the rational numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. P and q are the smallest integers. Case 1, when numerator is less than denominator. When numerator is less than denominator, for example 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and etc. It means these rational numbers lies between 0 and 1. When numerator is less, it means rational numbers lie between 0 and 1. For negative values, for example minus 3 by 4, minus 6 by 7. It means these rational numbers lies between 0 and minus 1. 0 and minus 1. So first of all, I am going to draw a rational number whose numerator is less than denominator, like 5 by 6 on the number line. So at point 0, draw a straight line and take equal distances like 1, 2, 3, and in left side minus 1, minus 2, like that. At point 0, draw an acute angle with less than 90 degree. It can be any type, any number less than 90 degree. That should be acute angle. Since denominator is 6, that's why with the help of compass we will take 6 equal parts on this acute angles, and last part will be joined to 1. Last 6 part will be joined to 1. With the help of set square, put set square on this line. Put set square on this line. This is set square. Put set square on this line and a scale at the surface of this set square, and move set square like this and draw the lines parallel to this line. So parallel to this line, from this point draw 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 this line. It means there are 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our rational number is 5 by 6. So 5 part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means this is the point which is 5 by 6. This is the point which is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 can be drawn on the number line. Similarly in negative cases, suppose like minus 1 by 3. How can you draw the number line on minus 1 by 3? In same process, at point 0, we draw an acute angle to left side and take, since denominator is 3, it means you will take 3 equal parts with the help of compass, equal distances, the 1, 2, 3, and join this last one to minus 1. Again with the help of set square, move like this and put the scale in lower part of the set square. That's why set square doesn't move in wrong way. So move on this scale. So we can draw this line, again this line parallel to this line, again parallel to this line. So there are 3 parts, 1, 2, 3 parts. So first part is 1, minus 1 by 3. So this is your minus 1 by 3. This is your minus 2 by 3. This is your minus 3 by 3. It means you have drawn minus 1 by 3 on the number line. In same process you can draw homework, draw number lines minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 5, 7 by 8, and 5 by 6, 4 by 9. With by same process which we have already taught you. So these are the homeworks. The Russell numbers which are less than lines between 0 and 1 and 0 and minus 1. When numerator is less than denominator, the Russell numbers lies between 0 and 1 and minus 1 and 0. So first of all, today you will draw these Russell numbers minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 5, 7 by 8, 5 by 6 and 4 by 9 on the number line. Thank you.